Hello there.
Welcome to Balance My Hormones, where we help men and women on their journey to optimal hormone balance.
Be honest, bro, you helped write the book.
So many of us have heard the word hormone optimization.
Well, yeah, I felt optimized and didn't know what optimized was.
I guess as we approach our 50s, we need to be lean and not necessarily big, and we need to have good cardiorespiratory capacity. This is something really important.
You know, I want to look and feel my best as I'm aging into my 50s, 60s, and 70s.
Yeah, so my name's Alan. I'm now just turned 49 years old.
Being on TRT will make you more fit.
There's more to hormone imbalance than physique.
Because as you know, Michael, there's nothing worse than living with a hormone deficiency.
If I'm not going to listen to these guys at the gym, I'm going to go actually consult an actual doctor.
Again, in my opinion, TRT is the foundation for male health.
Destigmatize testosterone.
But certainly nothing beats testosterone.
I joined your company when I was 46, although I had a previous experience which was very bad from the GP.
Most GPs don't want to know, and they'll be prescribing the SSRI straight away.
Back in 1999, when the ranges were higher than they are now.
My testosterone was low.
Though sometimes it's like talking to the wall because most doctors don't have a clue about this sort of thing.
The doctor did prescribe me some.
What were you prescribed? What was the regime, the treatment plan?
But he only prescribed me once every 3 weeks. He gave me that 4 shots for 12 weeks and then got scared and said, sorry, you cannot have any more. My libido was not there at all.
How many people is this happening to?
You know, I'm not even going to shout out some of these horrible companies that have done, right?
That's why I started researching testosterone again, and then I met you guys. What I have found with the TRT though, it will help with recovery, so I can train more often.
Because these hormones are working at such a foundational level of your biology, they're working with you, they're not working on you.
That's why we need testosterone.
At the end of the day, when testosterone cleaves molecularly and it's in the bloodstream, it's still testosterone. It doesn't matter what the ester is, right?
I haven't seen anything negative.
I mean, I've never felt better in my life.
Completely resolved. And the way your company has handled it, it wasn't just based on numbers, oh that's too much, oh that's not right. It was just really, really good. So I couldn't be happier. I would never go anywhere else. Yeah.